of all, my name is Dano. On behalf of our school, I'll be conducting our interview. Thank you so much for giving us your time. If I can ask you to first perhaps introduce yourself and introduce this company of yours.
Thank you for your time. We are a sports food product. We are SDA IMPEX company, and we are
Okay.
providing facilities of football turf and like all type of sports uh, uh, activities we are doing, along with basketball and other flooring also we are providing.
Coming to my next question, if you can tell us about something about this particular product of yours, AeroX, that we are installing at the moment at our school arena, the Lighthouse School Turf Arena.
AeroX is one of the best stuff what we are offering everyone, and it's a very uh, competitive price, as well as a product is a, like you can say, it's a top grade product what we can
Mhm.
offer. And if you compare with that other one also, it is one of the best stuff in India.
Um, how about the installation process? Can you help us walk through the whole process, the stepwise, if possible, from the assembly to the components used, all that detail, if
We
you can
uh,
tell us.
normally we use turf adhesive, that is a sports product. It is
Mm-hmm.
uh, it
The
is
gum,
a
you mean, right?
imported material. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
imported product what we are offering to you, like laying of turf with joining with through joint tapes, and it
Mm-hmm.
is inbuilt line mark what we are offering everyone, like all that line marks, it is inbuilt in that. So there is less maintenance on that, and we are putting silica sand rubber granule in that, so up to 40 mm, so that longevity of the turf will be much more higher compared to normal turf.
But is there any chance of it coming apart, the whole
Coming
adhesive?
off a part, it is a maintenance thing. Normally it is not happening with like, I'll not say like it's 100% like it will not come up, but if you maintain properly, so that it will be last long also. There is a maintenance which we have to maintain every 3 to 4 months, so it will be last long also. There is a
And
guidelines also,
uh-huh.
yeah, for how to maintain.
So, in this maintenance process thing you talked about, are we supposed to be using or should we be avoiding metal studs?
Yeah, metal stud is not like allowed for that turf. You can
Mm-hmm.
use spikes stud. Any professional player can play, but it is metal spike is not allowed in that. Okay.
Okay, because we will be dealing with a lot of
Plastic spike,
students
yeah,
coming
plastic
in
spike,
and.
yeah, plastic spike you can play very easily. There is no issue at all. And
Mm-hmm.
already, like, we have done a dynamic base for your ground, so there is no water logging in your ground also. So I don't think there will be any issue for your turf as well as for your ground.
Oh, thank you. How about the, if you can tell us about some of the advantages, perhaps, of artificial playing surfaces, as your company is also one of the leading ones in this field.
Basically, it is all age group product,
Mm-hmm.
and especially like it is mud free product, and
True.
like mud free product, low maintenance, uh, life of turf is also much more higher. So these are the advantages of that turf.
And if there could be any disadvantage you might want to
Yes,
add to that.
yeah, rectification cost is very much higher compared to like normal turf what we are using, natural grass, what I mean to say, because of,
Mm-hmm.
if you human error happens, like if anything happens through chemical spreading or something, so the rectification cost will be much more higher compared to normal turf, and the time frame also a little bit higher to like normal natural grass.
Okay. While maintaining the stuff, can you tell us about the whole brushing schedule? I heard there are some requirements for it as well.
Yeah, brushing is around every 3 months. If you do, it will be better for your turf. ev- Every three
Sure.
months.
Okay.
See, main thing is that you have to always maintain your grass in infield.
Mm-hmm.
so that it can be upright always. Okay, if you maintain proper and the grass will be upright, there will be no issue at all for your turf. See, sand and rubber is for infilling. Sand creates for compact of your ground, and rubber creates for cushioning of your ground, so that if someone like fall down, they will not get hurt. As well as the turf life will be much more higher if you maintain properly in the sense of 40 infill. What we suggest for everyone, infilling is much more like it is a like one type of food for turf. If less infill, then turf will be damaged. What you are discussing that if it will come up, okay. So if you maintain, if you infill turf, infill, so that turf will not come up.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to us about the technicality of the whole turf thing.
Thank you for giving us opportunity.
I'd also like to ask one more question, sir, if I may.
Also, thank you for giving us opportunity to working with Lighthouse, as well as especially Misao sir. Like he has a very much clear thought process for entire thing. Like
He does.
how he into that turf. Yeah, he does every technicalities. Like he's very much clear about point to point what he needs. So we are very much also grateful to associate with Lighthouse, working with Lighthouse.
Okay, that perhaps is one of your good experiences about working with Lighthouse School, I hope. Do you have any intentions of working with other schools or other institutions, perhaps in a locality like ours in Kangpokpi district?
Yes, 100%. If we get opportunity, will and to provide best facilities to everyone. Whatever we have experience, whatever we have a product.
Okay. My final question, sir. Would you like to say a few words to whomever will be using this turf of ours in a very short period of time? The students, perhaps, or whoever is. It's pretty much welcome for everybody. If you'd like to say something to them.
It is a great product. You can enjoy that hazard free. People can enjoy. They will be also satisfied with that turf. If you compare with that other one also, and we are hoping that will be associated with the long term with everyone.
We hope so too. If you can just stay online, I'd like to ask a quick question to our secretary, Sir Dennis Misao. Sir, if you can tell us why you particularly chose this company, AeroX, and not any other company.
Firstly, they were very consistent right from the beginning. And I think they understood that we are not a very rich institution. And I'm grateful that at least we could meet halfway. But one thing we did not compromise is the quality. So we went for their top of the line product, that is AeroX. And I'm sure it will deliver. And so far, the installation has been very professional, and we are very satisfied with the way they have installed the nets and the carpets and the infill. All the process is going as it should go. So we are confident, and we are hopeful that this turf will fulfill its function. I'm also looking forward to a long relationship with SDA IMPEX, and particularly with Supriya and Dibakar.
And one last question to you, sir. When are you going to open this arena?
I think within a week, we should be able to open up things.
All fingers crossed for the next week. Let us hope and pray that we do get have a grand opening, and it benefits everyone, and all students of Lighthouse School in particular. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, both of you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.